Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, chrome mirror caps, four-wheel disc brake. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.